Hi, I'm Camille Parker from Camille'sDish.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make a very simple but wonderful Italian caprese salad. You only need a few ingredients, just a fresh, wonderful tomato, some fresh mozzarella, fresh basil, olive oil, and salt. A caprese salad is quite simply just a tomato mozzarella salad with fresh basil. It comes from the island of Capri in Italy, which is just off of the coast of Naples in the region of Campania. Now, it's just a very simple, classic of very fresh and simple ingredients. Now, it comes from this area because they have wonderful, wonderful tomatoes as well as fresh buffalo milk mozzarella, which is what this would typically be made with. Today, we're just going to use cow's milk mozzarella because that's the easiest to find in the States, and I think it's delicious also. So just slice your tomatoes nice and thick, and the mozzarella as well. You want them to be roughly the same size, so you're going to get proportionally the same amount of tomato and mozzarella in each bite. And it's simple as that. So now I'm just going to layer my tomatoes with my mozzarella. This will serve a few because I've got a big fat mozzarella and a big fat tomato. If you wanted to do a smaller salad, you could do that as well. Or you could use the small ovolini mozzarellas and cut them in half, as well as small cherry tomatoes and cut them in half, and dress them with the olive oil and toss in some fresh basil. Here we're going to do it with the whole fresh leaves and the fresh whole tomatoes, the whole mozzarella. So I'm just going to do it like this. So this guy's not quite as pretty, and I want the prettiest one. So I want to have each bite have a little bit of mozzarella, a little bit of tomato, and a little bit of fresh basil. And then I am simply going to drizzle a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. Now you want to make sure that this is a very good olive oil because you're going to taste the flavor of it since there are very few ingredients in this salad. And I'm going to sprinkle a little salt. Classically, the Italians do not put pepper on this salad. I've gotten in trouble in my restaurant from a little Italian boy saying, "Pepe? Perché ha messo pepe? Why did she put pepper on this?" They don't put pepper. I don't know. They just want the full flavor of the tomatoes and the mozzarella and the basil. It's a very simple, beautiful salad. I hope you enjoy this fresh caprese salad. I'm Camille Parker from Camille'sDish.com.